Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com, and this is your unusual options activity report for January 26, 2012. There was a lot of action today, a lot of action on the minor stocks, oil stocks, gold stocks. However, I have 5 that I flagged, a couple I traded, and other ones I didn't trade. Starbucks is the big one, guys. It has earnings today, and we saw a customer. This morning we saw some put sellers. We saw some Feb 44 puts sold, Feb 45 puts, 43 puts. Then towards the end of the day, we saw a customer buy about 4,000 Feb 47 puts for 118. This is 8.6 times the usual volume. And they have earnings today after the bell. I did not trade this at all. I have a put fly on in Starbucks, the 50, 47, 44 for earnings. Stock didn't move. This could have been protection against a long position. This could be initiation. I did not trade that one at all. Let's go to the next one. CA. This stock's been ripping. Ripped yesterday. Had a little sell back here. Feb 27 calls. Traded 10 cents. 4 times usual volume activity. Stock with 25.21. I didn't do anything here. Could be a cheap shot. We get more upside to KA. They had positive news. It gapped up higher. Got to about 26.20. Could be someone protecting against a short position. Could be closing. I didn't want to take that one on. This is what I took on. Did not work that well so far, but I have plenty of time left. Monster Worldwide, they came out, they had earnings. Terrible earnings. Stock sold off. High of the day was $8. When the stock was trading $7.35, this was actually very peculiar to me. Stock trading $7.35, a customer sold 4,400 of the Feb 7 puts for 20 cents. So this customer is saying, I'm willing to get long about 500,000 shares at $6.80, which is around the previous low here, $6.80. And he's only collecting 20 cents for this. So when stock was trading $7.35, I would look at this as an opportunity to buy some calls. I bought some March calls, March 7s for 80 cents. Stock sold off even harder down to here. I bought some more calls for 70 cents, average at 75 cents is my average price. I need Monster Worldwide to get above $7.75 by March expiration. And I said this is similar to Coors. We remember this in Coors, also in Avon. When Coors was trading, right here, they were selling the puts. They were selling January 26 puts for 20 cents, 25 cents. Unusual option activity, you got to take in consideration if it's an opening trade or closing trade. In the Monster Worldwide, this is an opening. Coors is an opening trade. This customer is just collecting premium. I think, if I had to say with certainty, in my opinion, there's probably about an 80% chance that Monster Worldwide will not close under 680 between now and February expiration. Just my opinion. So I got long. CIGX. This is an oldie but a goodie. I flagged unusual option activity a while ago. Right around here, they were buying Jan 2.5 calls. I went on about Feb 2.5 calls. A lot of you guys follow me on Twitter. Keen on Market on Twitter. We thought these were going to go out worth this. Feb 2.5 calls were 5 cents, 10 cents. Then all of a sudden, they came out of the patent. Stock rage. 10-cent calls went to 60 cents today. Unusual option activity, like I say, I like to give my trades more time. February, March, April, even May. Gives it more time for the trade to be right. It was wrong for a while, but I'm not going to sell these calls off for a nickel. I've already defined my risk versus reward. My risk was 15 cents, what I paid for them. My reward, they just went to 60. That's good for a quadruple. Today, they bought some May 3s for 40 cents. 20 times usual option activity. Last one I'm going to flag, and we talked about this one a couple times. Terra G, let's just say biotech. And this stock, when the stock was trading right around here, 555, customers sold some December 5 puts for 20 cents, 25 cents. We saw these selling a lot of puts, 20 cents, collecting money. Stock has been raging. Stock went up to $6 today when stock was trading $5.93. A customer did 5,000 lot risk reversal. They sold the 5 puts. They bought the 10 calls. This is very bullish, 11 times unusual option activity. Basically, they're saying I'm willing to get long at $4.95 naked, and I'm only going to make money. I'll make a nickel all the way up to $10. Above $10, you start profiting, unlimited upside. So I'm long this one. I got in this one when stock was around $5.55. I bought the May 5 calls for $130. They're good for about $170 now. So that's unusual option activity. This is Andrew Keene, KeenOnTheMarket.com. Make sure you go to the trade of the day, and Starbucks put fly worked out really well. Have a good night.